Hey, what's up, everyone? I hope you're doing great. I just wanted to record a quick tutorial of how I use the online pronunciation listening resource YouGlish and how you should too. So, a lot of times students come to my class and they want help understanding how to pronounce a word. So sometimes they want to know about the vowel sound, sometimes they want to know about the rhythm pattern, sometimes they may have heard a native speaker pronounce the word differently at different times and they want to know which one is correct. So here's what I do and here's what you can do to find out. So if you come to youglish.com, we're going to just go with the word interview. We're going to choose US and we can see there's a lot of examples here. 37,000 examples. So let's listen to a couple.
Earlier today, I came across an interview with Will Smith. I'm listening to it and
All right, so what I heard was interview. I heard him use a silent T. So let's check the next one and see what kind of pronunciation they use.
Good. Kim, love this interview.
Interview, right? Silent T, same thing. Let's do one more.
People could relate to because most people had been through was the job interview.
Oh, okay, that one was different. Let's play that again. Let's slow it down. To 7.5, back it up just a little.
We decided that the one that most people could relate to because most people had been through was the job interview.
Job interview. So you can see here she's giving like a really formal presentation. So she might be over pronouncing her words a little bit to have even more clarity when she's speaking. But you can see that 2 out of the 3 videos used the silent T. So for me, that means it's more common to use a silent T, but it's not wrong to use the true T. So that's it for the tutorial. I hope it helps you guys out. Now you can start using it and boost up your English.